Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I am Rosemary and in this video I'll be showing you how to braid twist. I will be using darling Yaki braids, and then I'll also use edge control, a crochet and combs. So if you don't have an edge control, you can also use a gel. On washed and well moisturized hair, I will section a normal straight line, but instead of creating boxes, I will be sectioning triangles. I created the triangles by sectioning in a zigzag form, then braid the hair using 3 strands technique. So I will then apply my edge control to ensure that the lines are straight, and then the triangles will appear very clean, and also it's gonna help me with laying down all the hair. Thereafter, I will continue sectioning more triangles just to show you how I did it. While you are busy learning, please hit the like button and also subscribe to learn more hairstyles. And you're also welcome to suggest or comment on the comment box below. And I would like to thank everyone for supporting me. This really means a lot. So I will braid the hair until it's not gonna unravel. So if you have straight hair, you might want to maybe balance it with something so that it does not unravel completely. After stretching the braiding hair, I will divide the hairpiece into 2, then crochet the 2 pieces separately to avoid tension and hide the braided natural hair. I will also make sure that the hairpiece length is the same. I will twist the hairpiece in opposite directions, then open the crochet hook, then insert the hairpiece and then close the crochet hook, then pull the crochet, and then also one strand, or rather one side of the hairpiece to be on the other side and the other side will be on the left hand side. Then I will continue to do the same thing on the second half. I will twist it in opposite directions and then insert the crochet, close the crochet hook, and then pull the crochet through the hair and then make the other strand go to the other side of the hair. And then I will make sure that the strands have the same length. Then take one strand of the hairpiece and wrap it on the natural hair while twisting. Then hold the strand with one hand while making sure that it does not unravel. I will also twist the second strand 3 times or so and then continue to exchange the strands. So in this video, I wanted to show you that if you can't twist, you can actually twist with one hand at a time, then exchange the strands and repeat. Then later when you are used to it, you can practice to twist with 2 hands at the same time. So another thing is that you have to make sure that the 2 strands are always equal and also hide the natural hair as much as possible. So she has thick hair and I had to make sure that I hide the natural hair as much as I can. And thereafter you're going to twist once per strand or twice and then exchange to the other hand, twist once and then exchange to the other hand. So it's either you twist once or twice, it depends on how you want the twist to look. I will then cut the hairpiece of fiber that's showing everywhere and the fiber hair ends to neaten the twist. And then to avoid cutting the natural hair, you have to ensure that you hide the natural hair while braiding or twisting. Here I'm going to apply argan oil. You can use any hair oil you prefer to ensure that the scalp does not become too dry and end up itching. Plus, these oils are good for the hair, you know, hair growth, scalp health, and so on. I will then apply the hair mousse to lay everything down and add some shine to the braids. If you're still here, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Bye.